Hi, everyone. This is a quick mini lecture just pointing out a few things in one of our readings, Essay Organization, which is a chapter from a textbook by Anna Mills. So most students in English 1A are beginning writers, and this is a really helpful chapter for beginning writers because it basically shows us how to put an essay together. So it will benefit you to take some time to read this carefully. So let's look at the reading. Okay. So essay organization. We can see that these sections cover many of the basics of an essay. So we have developing a thesis statement, topic sentences, showing how a new idea fits, which is about transition, referring back to make the connection, which is about cohesion, developing paragraphs, quoting and paraphrasing, introductions, and conclusions. They are all important, but I want to point out one section in particular, quoting and paraphrasing. This is something that many students have trouble with, often because they quote too much. We don't want to quote excessively because that might tell the reader that we really just want someone else to write the paper for us. So we need to make sure that we are quoting only what is said in a distinctive and memorable way. My test for this is if I try to paraphrase a sentence from a text, that is, put it in my own words, and I end up ruining it because it doesn't sound as effective, that is when I know I should just directly quote the sentence. We also want to make sure that we are introducing our quotations and paraphrases, which this section refers to as providing context. We need to tell readers where this information is from. If we just drop a quotation in without introducing it, readers may get confused. This section shows us several effective verbs that we can use in our signal phrases. Another excellent resource that I want to show you is the Purdue University Online Writing Lab, or OWL. And we can find it really easily by going to owl.purdue.edu. And if you don't remember that, you can simply Google OWL Purdue or Purdue OWL, and it will pop up. We'll click on Online Writing Lab. And then go to the search function. We'll type in the word signal and then click on Signal and Lead-In Phrases Purdue OWL. Click on that again. And we can read through this brief lesson that shows us more examples of signal and lead-in phrases. If you're using APA format, you're going to write in past tense. But we are using MLA format, which uses present tense verbs. And you see that we have a nice list here. So this is another resource for you in addition to our readings. And that is it. We'll talk soon. Thanks.